Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. IPOB releases statements distancing self from Imo's attack. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, the issue of this bombing and attacking people in the Biafran land is something that is becoming unbearable. And they are talking about unknown gunmen. Make we not forget, say, the same thing when happened in the north. Many years, when northerners come up and they tell us about unknown gunmen. FG, every time that they come, they tell us about unknown gunmen when they destroy things in the north. So the same unknown gunmen matter don't come to the southeastern part of Nigeria. That is Biafran land. Something terrible is happening right now in Biafran land. Disaster is coming to Biafran land. There are some people sponsoring this unknown gunmen of 18. Everybody dey surprised today to hear say dem go break Imo State Correctional Prison, come free everybody inside. Some news platforms say na bomb after they don release the criminals when they, or can we call them repentance prisoners? So after release the repentant prisoners when they in the prison, some platform they tell us na bomb they use. Some say na burn, they just burn down in the correctional prison. Now a lot of hand they point IPOBESN, a lot of hand they point them. So nobody don't really know the people behind these activities. Remember, say systematically when they destroy the northern part of the country, that he don't come to the eastern region. Now, a lot of policemen, according to the news, don't die inside this matter. Now, I can't be saying that to go begin to release prisoners and also burn down the police station. A lot of people don't react. In fact, on our President Muhammadu Buhari, according to the news, we go come to him after. But I want just ship one thing. When the news they tell us today, Una Buhari, when they declare Una Buhari, in day on his way right now, as from Kidi Denyan to Dubai, where his wife just come back from. Remember saying wife did them more than 8 months. The Buhari one they claim, he not go there. He not go see him wife, but news right now, the latest news now, when they in town, we see the man don't take off from London. For those of you when they there, they do blind protest. When you know say not be Buhari be that one. Una they go do protest, they claim Buhari. Una know say Buhari don't die. Una they do blind protest. So the same Buhari now, when una they do blind protest for. I just see this man Rhino Mukari talk say, oh, Buhari dey for house arrest. Buhari dey for house arrest. Which Buhari dey for house arrest? Which Buhari dey for house arrest in London? Meaning say the protesters now them make Buhari dey for house arrest. Now the thing when the man they claim when be Rhino or Mukari. That will not be the bone of contention. The thing when I want ship inside this IPOB releases statement distancing self from Imo's attack. Be say the Buhari when una dey London. For those of una now when they claim say una dey pursue una Buhari, whether that the propaganda people when be the APC people they claim say Buhari don't take off go Dubai so that the protesters go leave the venue Funky D worldwide. No. Remember say yesterday somebody like Kemi Oluloya or Kemi Olukoya, the one when they deport from America, the one when Sabi destroy relationship, she don't succeed to destroy Davido and Choma's relationship. Now she don't succeed to destroy many lives. The same Kemi Olukoya she be don come again, come tell Nigeria people say no, the Buhari. Now yesterday she come talk that one in her social media platform. Say the Buhari one that they protest for, that one say Buhari dey for Daura. Today now news they tell us say Buhari dey on his way to the same person. The same Buhari dey Daura, the same Buhari dey London, the same Buhari now dey on his way to Dubai. Dubai when wife stay for 8 months once again, Buhari not visit. The news now they tell us say Buhari on his way to Dubai. So for those of you now, when they for London, they protest. I don't tell right now Mukari say everything when they do now out of points. They are all corrupt politicians in the fight for PDP people. Now back to what they happen in Imo. Brother, I say the same thing when happen in the northern region. Now don't they happen in the southern region, that is southeastern part of Nigeria. Remember, say we never hear this kind of a thing in southwestern part of Nigeria when be Lagos and some other states. So nobody know whether now the FG they orchestrate these things when they happen in southeastern part of Nigeria. Nobody know the masterminder of this unknown gunmen. Now they tell us the unknown gunmen they don't burn down Imo State's correctional prison and even release all the whole prisoners in there. Some of them, the news tell us say some of them they not even carry their bag. All of them take off. Thousands of people. That is that they call them jailbreak. So this kind of a thing when they happen in Biafra land is not something when never happened before. It never happened before in Biafra land. So make we take a look, see how the IPOB leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu take distance himself and his men from this attack or attacks. Any way you call them, Biafran land is under attack by unknown gunmen. Barely a few hours after the Inspector General of Police IGP and Muhammadu Adamu linked the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB with the attacks on police and correctional service headquarters in Owerri, the group vehemently denying any involvement in the incident. Then they tell you now say IPOB worldwide vehemently deny the attack or the accusation by the IGP. See, not be them. Make IGP find the people when be the unknown government. She be a policeman and then get police on ground. According to them, say they sabi deploy. Waiting they deploy. Make them deploy now because the job of the police now to protect lives and properties, but now they are against the innocent citizens. Now, remember, say when things like this begin to happen, watch out for anarchy, watch out for this total destruction, watch out for lawlessness everywhere. So, una when be FG, una got to know and find how una won't take our people from Biafran land, the leaders, the the governors. Una got to find how una want to calm down this situation because this is a very, very dangerous situation. Denying the accusation via a press statement on Monday, April 5th, 2021, the group's media and publicity secretary, Emma Powerful, maintains that the group was formed on the principle of peace and would not compromise its principle, and would not also attack government facilities. Part of the statement read, the attention of the IPOB has been drawn to the fallacious and fabricated reports that it was involved in the attack of prisons and police headquarters in Imo. IPOB and Eastern Security Network ESN are known groups, not unknown gunmen. ESN is in the bush chasing terrorists and has no business with the said attack. We were not involved in the attack in Owerri and the recent attack on the Owerri Road at Ukwoje Junction. It is not our mandate to attack security personnel or prison facilities. Meanwhile, soldiers were drawn from the 34 Battalion Obinze Owerri West Local Government area of the state have been drafted to secure the government house and other sensitive government facilities in Owerri. So, una don hear waiting the a more powerful, the publicity secretary to IPOB worldwide. Una don hear waiting in Yan right now. Say there be peaceful organization and they just be inside the bush. The trace herdsmen people. Now only herdsmen people that they trace and the bandit people. You know, I know say herdsmen they, bandit they, Boko they. Answer day, that is the Ansaru people. You got another one again where they get what they call ISWAP. All of them they. So then that because of them, the ESN people, now them make them come out, not be to burn the police station or to burn any government facilities, according to a more powerful claim. Herdsmen people, the terrorist people, when they go by that name, herdsmen, they be pure terrorists. They be pure terrorists. So all of them have to be held accountable for all these things when they happen in Owerri. Remember, so the same most of them don't call army. Now they don't say they don't still call some army people when we go, guide places when we government places. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are not here waiting IPOB them. Nyan, they say their hand, not the inside the matter of burning, the, everywhere in Biafran land. If we not get anything on one year concerning this topic, make una come down to our comment section. Remember, say ESN, they are peaceful organization. Nnamdi Kanu himself don't claim say income for peace and not for destruction. Okay, in fact, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, don't already react. The next video where we will do now pertaining his reaction regarding what happened in Imo State. This one now, this statement when they release now a more powerful matter they talk about. Remember, say the boss of all bosses will be Master Nnamdi Kanu, they on top. Now a more powerful now, then the next video when we go roll out now Nnamdi Kanu's reaction pertaining what happened in Imo State. One love, everybody. I say, make una not forget to follow us, to the subscribe. Make we plenty. One love and stay blessed. Bye.